Hello, today I am discussing about this how to choose the Power BI dataset for end-to-end project. So firstly go to that kaggle.com, right? So there is a website, just go to that. And how to firstly you need to register for this, those are the fresher, so just need to register and after that sign in. So I go for a sign in option, and after that there is a sign in with Google option is there, right? So just go to that, and in the left side there is a different types of options are there. Just go to that data set, right? So data sets option is there. Just click on to that, and after that what happen, there is option for a search bar here, na? Like you can choose all set data sets, or you can search here. So I choose this all data sets here. Yeah, right, this is the here you can show that like 4 like 95,681 data sets are available total. So it's free of cost. You can just open any data set and download it, right? So I search it about healthcare domain, right? So um, suppose I want healthcare domain data set. Here you can see that there is a 4,688 datasets are related to healthcare. Suppose I want to filter it, just I go to that first dataset, right? You can show that like this is the healthcare dataset. This data is a dummy, will multiple category classification problems are there. Here you can see that like there is a context, or sorry, descriptive descriptions are there given for a dataset, exactly what is in this dataset. And after that there is a name, age, gender, this column is present, and their meaning of this column, why this column is imported in the dataset, right? So that is, and use case scenarios why we choose this dataset. And after that you can just go that there is a 8.4 MB of this data for a healthcare domain. So just you go down, and you can show that this is the data set. Like there is a total 15 columns are there, and the size of the data 8.4 MB. So just you go down, and you can show that like name, age, gender, blood type, medical conditions, date of admission, doctor, hospital, insurance provider, billing amount. This type of columns are there. And here is a, you can choose this 10 like 10 out of 15 columns they imported here. Other columns they removed because this column is not mandatory, I think, so that's why they not taken this. So that's it for this data set. And suppose you want to see that the peoples, how the peoples are working on this data set. So you can tell them like a healthcare data set, right? So already one person are working on this data set. And suppose you go there hotness like most odds, like this person have like this data set work on to that 110 peoples, like they see, they watches this data set. You can just go down, you can show that like this person, I will show you it. This work is related to healthcare data analysis. So this work is related to one person, this working importing the libraries for the pandas, numpy for the machine learning, and the seaborn plotly, like this data set they imported. And you can show that like df.head, this column is there, and head, tail. So shape of the data, that is information of the table, like how many null values are present or not in this particular data like columns or not. So they just, and you can show that df dot is null dot sum is the this is the not null is present, all the columns are fulfilled. So you can just go for a EDA purpose and pre-processing of dataset, right? So yeah, that's it for this. And after that suppose you choose this healthcare dataset, and you go for this again back. Again you go to the dataset option here, click on to that all datasets. Suppose again I want to go for this healthcare data. So just choose this healthcare as a main title. And after that here is the option, suppose filter, right? So you know that the filter means a file size. Suppose you want to uh, more than 50,000 rows, or 30 like 30,000 40,000 rows, so you want, and more than 10 12 columns you want. So just give this size into the MB. So suppose I want to choose a minimum MB is 3 and maximum MB is 40 MB data set you want. Just click onto that minimum data and maximum size of this data, and just choose whatever you option you want, right? So suppose like CSV files I choose, and after that just apply it, right? So what happened here, you can see that there is a US healthcare data is there, that is 38 MB size of this data. And suppose I choose one data set related to, suppose yeah, I choose this one, US healthcare data. You know that there is a lot of different like already CSV files are they uploaded, and this data set is very in big size. So you can take this for a Power BI report, or I will show you which you can choose. This is also healthcare data set. So yeah, this is the healthcare data set, right? So DRG definitions, totals, discharges, average covered, so average total. So you can search it in the Kaggle. So that is the very beneficial. Suppose I want to check for a finance related data, same procedure. Just choose like option search for the finance, and give the minimum size and maximum size for this two, or suppose I want to 20, right? And this is the CSV file I want, so just click onto that and applies. So here is a lot of data sets are there. You can choose like 1556 data set for finance related. You can choose any data set from here and make a Power BI report. So it is very beneficial for you. You work onto the Power BI end to end, because it is necessary for everyone. Build a star schema, choose a data set, and after that download in the CSV for file and choose in the Power BI so as a data source. And you make a fact table and dimension table, you divide it from this data set, and make a report end to end. So this is very helpful for the interview purpose as well as for our learning purpose. That's it. Thank you.